everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can recharge diamonds on TikTok using Gcash. So first is open your Gcash and then go to the live. So from here, you can choose any creator that you want to gift to. So click on the gift and then tap on the recharge at the bottom right, this one. So from here, you can choose any amount that you want to recharge to your TikTok. And then tap on recharge at the bottom. So you want to make sure that your app store or payment method is already connected to your Gcash. So once you tap on purchase, it will automatically charge your Gcash account. So to make sure or to set your payment as Gcash, you go to your settings. And once you're on your settings, tap on your profile. And then from here, you tap on the payments and shipping. So from there, you just have to add your Gcash account as your payment method. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!